Malaman. Ay, ikaw explain mo sa kanila ang explain.
There are what we call
Bases. Ay. Original to. Cool.
It's very, very nice. Here we have the saladon dish, salad.
Ikaw ang mag-explain.
It's all about the plates of the earliest people here in the Philippines. So, in these boxes, there are a lot of history explained in here that none of us knows.
Hindi mo na inaral eh. This one also. Explain ko ano to.
This is all about the Golden Mass, or this happened in the 15th century CE. Christ
Ano happened?
Use. Use pala. Eh, parang death mass kasi. Happen.
Use.
Okay. This is use. Sorry guys. Sorry.
Next.
Okay. Okay.
Wow.
So here is the Vistali Lakali. So I can't pronounce it very well because it's in Visayas, guys. So this is the microbread, the metal pendant with Christian insignias, the square shelled bread, and then the metal pendant with Christian insignias. So this is all about the accessories of the early people.
Early people.
Yeah.
We are
The current.
We are the current.
And then these bowls are they are all found during the colonization of the Hispanic here in the Philippines. As you can see, they are very, very, very nice. Just like here, it says colonization. So yeah.
So
And then this painting is the dot painting or the dot method in painting. Ang ganda, diba? It's all in dots.
May tour guide. Bawal sa taas, what the fuck?
Yes, bawal pa sa taas.
Bakit?
May daanan dun eh.
Sa?
Dun.
Where?
And then this is the Palawi, the Paglawig, or the seaside. Or the...
Baliktad nga tayo kasi ako dyan sa side mo kasi lang ako mag
So all of these items are all found underneath the sea. Just like a pirate, you found things that you want to own, but here you put it in a museum to make history about it. Oh, ganda.
Very maniwala kayo kung gusto niyo, maniwala kayo sa
Come here guys. So this is the voyage to the heritage of Cebu.
Tap to interact ko no.
Tap to enter out. This is Cebu. So we're going to explore the 13th century maritime trade. Okay. So the 13th century maritime trade, ang pagtukas sa mga ceramika, gikan sa China, kiniadtog ika-13 na siglo sa Pilipinas. Nagpailakala, oh my gosh, it's gone. Okay, that's all. So the materials evidences in the vessels such as ceramics, metal, glass, and even stone object was mostly from China. So this is all from China but was found in the Philippine Sea. Okay? Next. So let's go to, where do you want to go? We have San Antonio, the Breaker Reef, and the Investigator Shoal. So since the Investigator Shoal sounds more expensive, so let's go with that. Okay. Let's read this because I can't really speak Tagalog. The NMP, the WWF, and the Sea Rover Systems Incorporation collaborated to examine and destruct Earth in 1990 and 1991, just like what I have told you. All of the ceramics, all of these things are from China, but are found in the Philippines, in the underwater of the Philippines. So it now belongs to the Philippines. Okay. And then we have the Breaker Reef, from the word reef. So all of this, so some of these things must be found under the reefs or beside the reefs. That's why it's called the Breaker Reefs. Oh my gosh. So yeah, in 1991, the NMP Underwater Archaeology Section team, in collaboration with Worldwide or WWF, examinated the site and recovered archaeological samples totaling more than 2,000 objects. And these are all the objects that you are seeing right now. Some of them are broken, which are in there, so you can actually see it. So let's move to San Antonio, the very Filipino word na like you can really sense the Filipino heritage from the word San Antonio. Antonio. Okay. Oh, the San Antonio shipwreck. So it's all about ship. Okay. So a team, the NMP, investigated the shipwreck that lies 42 to 25 meters below surface level. Oh my gosh, the depth is so very depth. Like, the site showed traces of human disturbances and was said to have been looted since 1972. Okay, so in San Antonio, a lot of people were fighting to that object. So like, if you ever seen, no, I'm sorry.
Let's move on.
Okay. Not yet. So, if you ever saw a movie about pirates fighting with civilians, that's what it is. Okay, guys. So there are battles that happen in here, and then that cause the shipwreck. That caused the shipwreck, and then after that, the things were sunk down to the bottom of the sea, 42 to 45 meters below the sea. So yeah, and then it was then retrieved by the Philippine or the NMP, and then was put in here. So these are all the evidence.
Over sa evidence? Nag-shut up na siya.
Okay. So, oh my gosh, guys, look at this, guys. It's very, very nice. Oh my gosh. Meron pa nga mga damo-damo.
Tama ba yun?
Hindi ko lang. And then these are all the shipwrecks, like,
May parang may ibang nagsisita.
Hinahan shipwreck. So this is San Antonio.
Dito.
I don't know.
Okay, there are bombs in there.
I don't know.
Hindi,
But I
pang
think
ano
there are
siya?
weapons.
Weapons. Sige, punta na tayo doon.
Oh my gosh. Guys. So guys, as you can see, the museum object pulled out for conservation. So bali, inalis nila muna yung object na nandito. That's why it is empty. The object was the San Diego Galleon model, so it is also a weapon. Although it is empty right now because the object was pulled for conservation, but it will soon be back. So, okay guys, let's explore more. Oh my gosh, guys, my friends. Okay, so this
Video.
listen.
Picture.
Yes. It is